Welcome to Pytes Energy Channel. This is the installation of Pi low voltage battery. It consists of BMU, BCU, and a base. Remove the BCU from the base. Place the base 30 to 35 mm away from the wall. Stack the BMU one by one on the base. Install the long wall bracket to the BCU and tighten the M512 screws, which is 5 mm in diameter and 12 mm in length, using a screwdriver. Connecting the long and short wall bracket with the hexagon flange nuts. Place the BCU on the top of the BMU. Mark the position of the drill holes. Remove the BCU. Punch holes at the marks according to the size of the expansion screws, and then insert the expansion screws into the wall. Place the BCU back to the BMU. Connect the BCU to BMU, BMU to BMU, BMU to the base with the locking pieces, and tighten the M510 screws using a screwdriver. Secure the wall bracket to the wall with the expansion screws on both sides. Loosen the screws on the DC breaker. Open the protective cover and toggle the switch upward, then tighten the screws. Unscrew all the bolts on the cover and remove the cover. Adjust the dip switch at 2, right 1, to up, down, 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 up, down. Connect the power cable to the battery power terminal, positive to positive, negative to negative. Wrap waterproof EVA tape around 135 mm, which is 5.31 inch, away from the communication cable. Plug the communication cable to the CAN port of the battery. Remove the sleeves of the positive and negative port and one of the communication port, then remove the dust cap. Put the sleeves back on, but remember not to tighten it to facilitate threading through the cables. Thread the power and communication cables through the hole. Insert the cover back to the battery. Tighten the screws on the cover. Pull out the waterproof tape of the communication cable, exposing a portion of it outside the hole, then tighten all the sleeves. Connect the earthing cable to the grounding port. Connect the other end of the ground wire to a reliable grounding point. Unscrew the inverter battery port. Place the V bus bar and tighten the screw. Connect the power cable to the V bus bar. Positive to positive, negative to negative. Connect the communication cable to the inverter battery CAN bus port. Press the power button of each BMU. Press the power button of the BCU to wake up all the BMU. Switch on the breaker and press the power button of the inverter. Inverter setting. Press setting icon. Press battery setup. Set battery capacity according to the battery quantity 100 amp-hours per unit. Check use battery percentage charge and BMS lithium bat. Set its value to 00. Check activate battery, then press OK to confirm. Click the leave battery info and check the battery information to confirm the communication is successful.